We are therefore asking the government must honor its commitments to doctors. All arguments intended to dishonor the CBA and challenge its legality are a dishonest attempt to defraud the doctors of what was legitimately negotiated, and hence an act of bad faith. We are acting in good faith as our arbiters, and we are trying to put together the chairman of the legal committee, Amos Wako, the chairperson of the Committee on Labor, so as to mitigate around issues of the legality or otherwise of the CBA. But we believe the CBA is legal. Secondly, we are putting together Senator Mazayo, who's the chairman of the Labor Committee and himself a former industrial court judge. Senator Professor Lesan, who's the chairperson of the Devolution Committee and also a doctor in his regard. And Senator Dr. Mashage, who's a doctor and the chair of the Health Committee, so that we can and then bring together and on board the Council of Governors.
When the County Council of Governors goes to court and seeks contempt of court orders or jailing ex parte of doctors, yet the CBA was not signed with the Council of Governors, again is an attempt to frustrate doctors. And